Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to create a Google Doc from Google Drive. This quick process helps you start new documents, use templates, and organize your work. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. At the top left, click the blue New button. From the menu, choose Google Docs, then select Blank Document. Start fresh, or pick a form or a template to start with a ready-made layout for resumes, reports, or meetings, depending on what you want to accomplish. When the new document opens, click the title at the top and type in a clear name so you can find it later. To move the file into a folder, click the folder icon next to the title, choose a location in the drive, and then click Move. Google Docs auto-save changes automatically. To invite collaborators, click Share at the top right corner, enter the email addresses, set permissions, and click Send so they receive an access link and can edit in real time. If you prefer link sharing, change the link settings to restrict access or allow anyone with the link to view or edit. For offline access, enable Drive Offline in your Drive settings or open File, make available offline for the document. To export your file, go to File, Download, and choose a format like Microsoft Word or PDF. And that's that, guys. Creating a Google Doc from Drive is fast, flexible, and perfect for collaborating or producing professional documents in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.